Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how we can download and install Myer app on your phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you got to do is simply open up your particular app store on your phone, and you're gonna go to search bar, type in the Myer app and search it up. Now for that, you have to make sure whether that app is available in your region as well. So now you can see I have searched it up and I cannot seem to get the particular app right over here. So if it's available in your region, you will find it right over here listed. All you gotta do is simply tap on this get, just like you usually download any other app or install in your phone. You gotta double click it and you're gonna start installing that particular app on your phone. You're gonna open it up, go to the login, enter your credentials, and you will be able to use that Myer app likewise on your mobile phone like that. So this is a simple step. Make sure to follow according and you're good to go. Now this is it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching.